This video will wipe the screen like a windshield. Is your screen clean yet? I'll wipe it some more. Welcome to part 6 of complex things that I somehow managed to pull off. Ready for the question? Okay, how many members of your family do you have? Tell me in the comments below. And I will also subscribe to whoever comments, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It takes you a second and helps me a lot. Thank you all for watching me video. Subscribe, like, and comment below. Until next time, take care.